Hi viewers, welcome to LMS Solution. Today we are going to see the neural network based model predictive control of a permanent magnet synchronous motor PMSM using MATLAB Simulink. This simulation model consists of a DC voltage source, a three-phase inverter and a PMSM drive system. The inverter converts the DC supply into three-phase AC power which drives the PMSM. The machine receives a mechanical torque input and several parameters such as rotor angle, stator currents, electromagnetic torque and rotor speed are measured from the motor. The stator currents in ABC coordinates are converted into the DQ reference frame using Park transformation. The rotor speed measured in rads is also converted into RPM for analysis. In this control structure, field-oriented control FOC is implemented where the direct axis current reference ID is maintained at 0 while the quadrature current IQ controls the torque. A neural network controller is used to generate the reference IQ. The network receives two inputs, the speed error between reference and actual speed and the reference speed command. Based on these inputs, the neural network predicts the required torque producing current. The generated references are then processed through a Model Predictive Controller (MPC). The controller evaluates 8 possible inverter switching states and computes a cost function for each state using predicted currents. The switching state with the minimum cost function is selected and applied to the inverter. Simulation results show that the PMSM accurately tracks the reference speed profile with smooth current response and stable torque, demonstrating the effectiveness of the neural network MPC control strategy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to LMS Solution and click the bell icon for more upcoming videos.